Sequre reached out to me a little while ago and asked me if I wouldn't mind reviewing one of their 1/10 scale motors and ESCs. And I said, yeah, sure. I've got a project I'm working on right now. So I'm building an optic right now, the H10 Optic, and I needed a motor for it. So they sent me their little 3625 Outrunner motor. And I have their smaller version on my Tarantula, and I love it. So I'm hoping this one's going to be a good one here. If I can get the box open. There we go. And a box in the bag. So 1800 kV motor. Got the 3.175 shaft on it. And it's little too, so I think that's going to work good in my optic. And here's your ESC, Escape 32, BEC's 4 amp. Both of the BEC's adjustable. It's 120 amp. And the motor can handle 2S to 4S, and the ESC can handle 2S to 8S. So that's pretty impressive. But I will be running this on 4S. It did come with a little Wi-Fi link also, which I've done the video on this before when I did my Tarantula video. You can plug that in, and then that's how you change the settings on the ESC. But cool, so let me get back on my optic, and we'll get this thing running and see how it does. So y'all hang tight.
12 seconds later.
Alright, I got the motor installed, got the ESC installed. I actually just drilled 4 holes on this plate right here and put zip ties on it, so it's pretty secure. And then here's the motor, a little outrunner motor. These are basically to save space, which you don't really need to save space in the optic, but man, look at that space I have. I can put the receiver right there if I wanted to, but I'm not. I'm actually going to put the receiver, I'm going to put the battery on this side, because it's going to be a 4S battery, then I'm going to put the receiver on this side. That way I have access to it for that Wi-Fi link or whatever else. But yeah, I made it this far, so let me get this car completed, and then we'll check it all out.
Few moments later.
Well, it's done and up and running. So I've got it all finished up, ready to go. And it's got some good low-end control. Very good. And it's on 4S. So we're going to have a lot of fun with this one. I don't think we're going to have any problems with it. But I got the 4S battery on this side right here. And there is no on-off switch, so turn it off. You gotta unplug it, which is no problem. You're not supposed to leave the batteries connected in your cars anyway when you're done. So that's one good way to make sure that it's disconnected. And then I have the receiver on this side. And I did that on purpose. That way I can have access to the wires for the Wi-Fi link. I got the receiver right there. And then I got the Wi-Fi module somewhere. Yeah, here it is. I got the Wi-Fi module right there. You just disconnect the ESC and plug it in there. If y'all want to kind of check that out, I already did that on my Tarantula video. I'll have it up here if you want to check that out. Now we can make all the adjustments you want for it. But right now I haven't made any adjustments to it yet. I'm just going to run it as it is. Right now it should be just fine. So, like I said, so far so good. Everything looks good. Everything works good. So now all I need to do is just actually go out and try it. So we will head out and see how well it does. So y'all hang tight.
2,000 years later.
Well, what a beautiful morning this morning. Gotta love this December Texas weather. It's 63 degrees and just feels great. But let's try out this new motor ESC combo from Sequre. Like I said, it does have a lot of good low end control. I like that a lot. It's got the punch too if you need it. So a lot of good power here. Drag brake works good on it too. Like I said, it's got plenty of power. It's on 4S right now. Like I say, the drag brake holds real well. I think this motor and ESC combo is just perfect fit for this little Optic. If I don't flip it, there it goes. Ugh. It's got the power. This thing's great. I'm very happy with this setup. There'll be a link down in the description if you guys are interested. But I really appreciate y'all watching the video, and you guys be good and take care.